local, late breaking. This is WTVA News at 10.
Right now at 10, it's an ongoing problem for the Magnolia State, the conditions of our roads. Fixing Mississippi roads is costly, but the state legislature is now in a crunch time to come up with a solution. All right, we are now moving on to continuing coverage on a story we first brought you tonight on WTVA News at 6. Roadway disrepair in Mississippi is, of course, costly, inconvenient, and dangerous, but there never seems to be enough money to make repairs to streets and bridges. The state legislature might take action on it during the next session. Cheryl Lassiter has more.
We're on the cusp of great economic development, but none of that will happen when you consider that 95% of the freight that's moved in this state is moved on our highways by truck.
Mississippi House Transportation Committee Chair Robert Johnson points to crumbling bridges and patched up city and county roads across the state to raise two issues. First, he says Mississippi can no longer depend on federal money to fix interstates quickly as repairs are needed. Second, the state must provide funds to local governments to fix bridges, roads, and streets.
It impacts our schools. Kids are having to go 20 and 30 miles out of the way on a bus drive because they can't go across bridges that are deficient.
At the state capitol Monday morning, he was joined by a nonprofit group called TRIP, which is compiling a report on Mississippi roadway repair issues. The group says the cost for car repairs and lost pay from sitting in traffic totals $1.6 billion a year for Mississippi motorists. And disrepair equals danger.
In Mississippi, the traffic fatality rate is the 5th highest in the country. Traffic fatality rates on Mississippi rural roads is approximately double what it is on all other roads in the state.
The Transportation Committee met Monday to discuss what can be done in the next legislative session.
The federal government can't figure out what they want to do, but we're definitely going to try to do what we can to get more state money.
That was Cheryl Lassiter reporting. The research group TRIP says 28% of Mississippi roads are in poor condition and 22% of bridges in our state need to be replaced or repaired.